Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to undo website changes and restore to an earlier version of your site. You'll learn how history snapshots work and how to manually save restore points before making updates. If you make changes you don't want, you don't need to undo each one individually. You can simply restore your site to a past version. In the left sidebar, go to Website, then click History. Here, you'll see a list of snapshots, each labeled with a date and time. B12 automatically creates a snapshot every 30 minutes while you're editing, as well as every time you publish if there are new changes since your last snapshot. Find the version you'd like to restore. Click the Restore arrow next to it. Select OK to confirm. A browser warning about unsaved changes may pop up. It's safe to click Reload. You can repeat this process as many times as you need. Just choose different snapshots as needed. You can also create snapshots manually whenever you want. This is helpful if you're about to make big changes but want the option to go back. To create a snapshot, go to History. Click Add Snapshot in the top right corner. Give your snapshot a description so you can easily recognize it later. Then click Create. If your snapshot cannot be created, it's because there are no new changes to be saved. To create the snapshot, create a small change first. If a snapshot is successful, the date and time will be added automatically. Once saved, your snapshot will appear in the list. You can restore it at any time. And that's how you use the History Snapshot to restore a previous version of your website. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.